Once I have my chemistry made and my film is in the canister, what I want to do, there's a lid on here, lid goes on, I take the lid off. I take my canister and I hold it sort of at an angle, just about a 90-degree angle, take my beaker with the chemistry in, and this is really cool. You can just do this in the light. And it just pours in, and it's filling into this canister container, and I'm getting ready. If it starts going over the top of the lid, you want to just level it out. It should just go in perfectly. See how it sort of comes out like that? That means I know that it's in, and it's good. And now this is important. As soon as that's in there, you want to begin your agitation. Now there's different ways to agitate, and there's a little bit of debate about which is the best way too. I like doing the figure eight. I just take my hand and I keep going in figure eights for the first minute of your development.